Here is a wonderful 2021 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a well-designed Passat, the midsize sedan that delivers everything your family needs, plus a large dollop of driving pleasure for you. Feel secure and confident and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: touchscreen infotainment system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, heated front seat. Choose fun. Get behind the wheel of this spirited Passat. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.